Hi, I'm Vijay Singh. I am a professor here in Department of Agriculture and Biological Engineering, and I'm also the executive director of Integrated Bioprocessing Research Lab, which is a translational research facility here at University of Illinois. And we are here today to talk about a study that has been funded by Illinois Corn Marketing Board to evaluate the wet milling characteristics of US corn and compare it with corn that originates in other parts of the world. We have been sampling corn wet milling facilities around the world, bringing the US corn and South American corn back into University of Illinois to evaluate starch yields of those samples. And what we have found over the last 3 years that US corn outperforms corn that originates in any other part of the world in terms of starch yields. And what that does is it affects the profitability of the corn wet milling process. The overall conclusions of the study was that US corn on an average will give you about 1 to 2% higher starch yield. And that is very important because 1% increase in starch yield for a plant that is grinding 1,000 metric tons per day can result in an additional revenue of $1 million. US corn, being a softer endosperm corn, is prone to breakage when it moves through the grain merchandising channels. So, US corn, when it arrives at international locations, especially at corn wet milling plants, has gone through many different steps in the grain merchandising channels. As a result, it results in a lot of brokens and dust. And because of brokens and dust, US corn just visually gets rejected by these plants. However, what they're not realizing is that even with brokens and dust, US corn can result in much higher starch yields compared to corn originating in other parts of the world.